of standard or custom-built products that can be tailor-made to fit every requirement. Over the past 4 decades, the SKM brand has been recognized regionally and internationally for its innovative and responsive approach to business. In recent years, existing production lines were expanded and new assembly lines were added, including a new mini-split AC assembly line and a line especially for concealed units. The company operates at the highest technological standards, providing top quality, cost-effective equipment and services to a growing customer base. With concerns over global warming and the depletion of the ozone layer growing, it's reassuring to know that all SKM products meet the highest international standards for energy efficiency, using ozone-friendly refrigerants with significantly lower global warming potential. SKM has a fully equipped AHRI certified testing laboratory. Using cutting-edge technology, it focuses on the research and development of new SKM products and on further strengthening production quality. Dubai Government's Department of Accreditation certified the laboratory to test the performance of electrical appliances in accordance with ISO IEC 17025. The laboratory also received SASO certification.